Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your POCO M6. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. Whenever you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more, and that's not great because you can pay a lot more for the damages while repairing them. So what you guys want to do now, after cleaning the microphone port with something soft like a soft brush, you guys can test the mic in the voice recorder app or another app that requires your microphone to work. So let's go over to the system apps and select recorder. Now after we select recorder, what we can do is we can start recording right here. And now, as you guys can see, let it start. My microphone is moving. And now when I'm quiet, it's not. So that's basically how it works. Now, if your microphone is still not working, then it may be the issue of your software. So go over to the settings and check if you got the latest version of your software. Go over to About Phone and then click on HyperOS. As you guys can see, I'm not running the latest version right now. There's an update available, and I have an update for Xiaomi HyperOS 2 instead of 1, so that's great. Whenever you do that update, you click that download, wait for it to download and extract, then it will automatically install. You will just need to restart your phone, and it should fix your mic glitches. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.